In the stillness of the night, stars are shining oh so bright. Whispers of the gentle breeze brings a sense of calm and peace. Moonlight dances on the ground, silent moments all around. Nature's song, a sweet delight, lost within this tranquil night. In the hush where dreams take flight, hearts find refuge in the night. Every star a guiding light, peaceful whispers hold us tight. Fireflies begin their glow, softly they put on a show. Heaven's canvas painted high, starlit stories filling sky. Echoes from the forest deep, lullabies that make us weep. In those realms of midnight blue, magic breaths as old as new. In the hush where dreams take flight, hearts find refuge in the night. Every star a guiding light, peaceful whispers hold us tight. Echoes from the forest deep, lullabies that make us weep. In those realms of midnight blue, magic breaths as old as new. Of midnight blue, magic breaths as old as new. Magic breaths as old as new. Waves are dancing on the shore, echoes of the ocean's roar, soft as silk the melodies carry dreams on quiet seas. Moonlight whispers through the trees, endless nights where hearts are free. In the night we hear the sound, oceans calling all around. In your eyes I lose my way, feel the tide and gently sway. Stars are singing songs of light, guiding us through darkest night. Every breath a gentle sigh. In the night we hear the sound, oceans calling